Hello children, now we are going to study the exercise 8a. See how to solve the exercise 8a. See now, the first question is given, express each of the following as a percent. That means we have to convert this into the percent. See now, very simple steps to convert into the percent. The given question should be, whatever is given, it should be out of 100. See the first one, what is given here in first question? 3 upon 4. Okay, 3 upon 4. What we required, denominator should be 100, and if it is not 100, denominator is not 100, then we have to multiply by 100. See now, 3 upon 4, so denominator is not 100, so multiply it by 100. 3 upon 4 multiply by 100. 3 upon 4 multiply by 100 means 4 1 za 4 25 za 25 into 3 75%. Got it now? See the second question, 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 is there, denominator is not 100, so multiply it by 100. 2 upon 3 multiply by 100. So after doing the multiplication and division, you will get the 200 upon 3. 200 upon 3 we can write this into the mixed fraction, 66 integer 2 upon 3 percentage. And see, keep remember, at the last we must have to write the percentage sign. See, another one example we will see. See the fifth one, 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8, denominator is not 100, so we have to multiply it by 100. 3 upon 8 multiply by 100. So again do the division. So after doing the division and multiply, we will get the answer 75 upon 2. 75 upon 2, it cannot be divided afterward, but we can write it into the mixed fraction, 37 integer 1 upon 2 percentage. Got it now? We will see another one decimal example. 0.25 is equal to 0.25. What is there at the denominator? At the denominator nothing is there. That means what is there? 1 is always. What is at the denominator? 0.25 upon 1, because 1 is hidden. So if denominator is not there, so we have to consider it as a 1. And see now, so 0.25, 25 means 2 decimals are there, so 2 decimals are there. Shift this decimal to the 2 digits to the right side, so it will be the 25. And at the denominator also we have to give the 2 0, 1 and 2 0, so it will be the 100. 25 upon 100. Then multiply by 100. 25 upon 100 into 100. 100 will get cancelled. So what is the answer? 25%. Now we will see the second question. Second question is there, express the following percentage as fraction and decimal number. See now, we have to given the percentage. Okay, we have to given the percentage. First we have to convert that percentage into the fraction, and then we have to convert it into the decimal number. See, 7 integer 1 upon 2%. 7 integer 1 upon 2%. Percent means out of 100. So instead of percentage symbol we can write down at the denominator 100. So first convert this mixed fraction into the improper. 2 into 7, 7 to the 14, 14 into 1, 15. So 15 upon 2, 15 upon 2. And instead of this percentage symbol I have written at the denominator 100. So 15 upon 2 into 100. 15 upon 2 into 100. After doing the division, what answer we will get? 3 upon 40. 3 upon 40, it cannot be divided afterward. But see, 3 upon 40, multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. So we have multiplied these both by the 5. So 3 5s are 15 and 40 5s are 200. So 15 upon 200. 15 upon 200 is equal to, after doing the division, what answer we will get? 0.075. Okay, got it now? I have done here the division of the 200 also, so you can see this. Now see the second example. Second example is given 2.50%. 2.50%. First 2.50, two decimals are there. Instead of 2.50 I can write 250. Two decimals are there, so at the denominator I can write down the 100. Got it now? That means I have multiply 2.50 by the 100 and denominator also by the 100, and instead of this percentage symbol I have written again another 100. So 250 divided by 100 into 100. So after doing the division I got the answer 1 upon 40. So 1 upon 40, this also we cannot divide, but we have to write down this into the decimal form. So 250 we have to, so I have multiplied this number 1 upon 40, this fraction I have multiplied it by 250 multiply by 250 to the numerator and multiply to the 250 by the denominator. So it will be the 250 upon 10,000. 250 upon 10,000. So after division answer we will get 0.0250. Got it now? So another one example we can see the last one. 25%. Percent means out of 100. 25 I have written instead of percent 100. 25 upon 100 is equal to, do the division, 25 1 the 25 4 the, so 1 upon 4 is the fraction. Got it now, the fraction? Then we can write down this, we can divide 1 by 4, so we will get the answer 0.25. got it now? So see now another one example we can see. Question number 3, what percent is? So we will see the first and last. First one, 16 hours of 2 days. 16 hours of 2 days. 16 hours of 2 days. Whatever is written after the of, that should be we have to write after the in the denominator. 16 I have written at the numerator, and whatever is written after the of, that we have to write down into the denominator. So 2 days, 1 day means 24 hours, and days are given 2, that's why 2 into 24, 16 upon 2 into 24. So it will be the 16 upon 48. 16 upon 48 we have to write down it into the percentage, so multiply by 100. 16 upon 48 multiply by 100. Do the division and multiply. So we will get 100 upon 3% is equal to, 100 upon 3% means this is the improper fraction. We can write down it into the mixed fraction, 33 integer 1 upon 3%. 33 integer 1 upon 3%, or otherwise you can write down 33.33% also. See now the another one example we will see. See, 25 centimeter of 4 meters. 25 centimeter of 4 meters. 25 centimeter, convert it into the same unit. 25 centimeter. So I have written 25 at the numerator, and 4 meters. 4 meter means how many centimeters? 400 centimeter. 25 upon 400. So again divide it, 25 1 ja and 25 16 ja, so 1 upon 16. 1 upon 16 1 upon 16 1 upon 16 into 100%. So whatever is the answer, so do the division, so we will get the answer. Got it now?